Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
Kajing Rakhe ye Sngi Burom Kerpang ye ki Nonghikai kabalaju Rakhe hamanla ka santarik nailur kabalong kum kadak kajing sa jingken mau ye ka lengku Sngi kha jong Presiden Baar kari India u Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan u balong Vice President Beningkong kari India ha ka ba menta ka Sngi jong usnam arjar arpuar ya ka tei ka Sngi Burom Kerpang ye ki Nonghikai la Rakhe ru hari Bhoi district. Ha kajing Rakhe ye ka tei ka Sngi Kerpang jong teu riu krau kari la kentup da kajing ai kusnam ne ka district award shiki laingut ki Nonghikai haki lai benta jong ka jaka pule kata ka secondary ka upper primary but ka lower primary ki balayo kusnam Kerpang ki kentup ya ka secondary level shaka kong bahun shisha lingskor jong ka Nehru Memorial Secondary School Sngi ka upper primary level shaka kong N Violinda Shabong jong ka Bhoi Presbyterian Secondary School Nongpo but ka lower primary shaka kong G Yaupniao jong ka St. Peter RCLP Nongsder. La penburu saki kusnam shaki best scouts but best guides ha ka ba ka best scouts la yo da KJ Peter but best guides la yo da ka kong Rasna Kharwan lang but baro ar ki dei na ka Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Bernihan. Bat la samru ye ki kusnam Kerpang shaki kena skol ki bala pas bha bat wan shakmat haki kerdan pule jongki. Hakane ka Sngi kan mau Burom ye ki Nonghikai ki laingut ki MLA ka them Bhoi ki la sha khot ngobha ban sakhi ha ka te ka Sngi ba kentup yau MLA ka nopo constituency ba Meral Bonds im uba shim ye ka benta kum kongsan uba sustenance sotun MLA ka Jirang constituency uba George B Lengdo MLA ka Umroi constituency ka kong VA Nyota ADC Bhoi ka kong PL Nonglight DSEO Bhoi district uba Ardkhar SDSEO Bhoi ki Nonghikai lembat ki kena skol.
Given the National Award of 2022, and as you go along the list in the state awards, our districts have sent numerous names, and most of these schools have come from our rural areas. It is a proud moment for the Bhoi district also that our Umroi Presbyterian High Secondary School has been given the state award this year. It is a proud moment for all the schools as we join hands together with the ones who have received awards and the ones who have not been able to make it this year.
Daga Burom ni dalay lima kajikay Nonghikai kaba kajisay ka mamaki ay kalau perlu ini habang ilay siyen ngisi megakot berpendak di homework berpulih ingat ikikot naman itu bagi Nonghikai isim yang disikat play pengikmeti pa bagi ikmeti pa diperlut besar nagamata ng iban pusul and with time changes many of the rules have been made to protect children, students, and sometimes some of the rules which have made to protect the students where teachers, they are helpless. They can't even utter a word if any mistake made by the student.
That despite of all these odds, the difficulties, the grievances that we have, still we have the spirit to strive forward, to strive ahead together to enable us to achieve the good result for our students, especially the teachers and the parents alike. The challenges that the students are facing nowadays, it is not easy, especially during the fight with COVID-19 in the last 2 years that we have been through. There have been no proper classroom, no education, no class. School has been shut down. Even the first time in our life, even the religious places has been shut down. As far as I am concerned, it is first time in my life that we have been through such challenges in our life. Despite of all this, we have seen our students strive forward. Today we witness through this Teachers' Day to honor the teachers who have rendered their service, to honor the students who have done well in their exam, SSLC and HSLC,